When you first time log to Neuronwriter, or if you just log to Neuronwriter, you will see the list of the project. So what is the project? The project is a folder where you can store your optimizations. So every time when you do the new query, new optimization, you have to choose the project for it. And a project just like a folder. It could be domain related, and then you type a domain, let's say yourdomain.com, or it could be not related to a domain, just a folder with a name, with any name. And then you can store there any kind of content that you would like to. So if you have a, for example, customer, you can just call this folder customers and then keep hundreds of analyses there to have a separate folder for your customers. And you can have a domain related project. What you are setting up in the domain related, let's say adidas.com, then you type a homepage, choose the language and default search engine. When the project is set up, here are a few additional options for a project. So if you are clicking here on the project settings, you can have information about, first of all, about your domain, default search engine, default language, the keywords that you would like to rank for, the branded keywords, the keywords that you don't like, for example, like competitor keywords. Here you can set up a competitors as well. It's quite important because we are using those competitor websites to analyze what content is missing on your website. That's all. Have fun.